With number 9, who else? Number 10, Angelus. Number 6, Kirikada Milagros. Also selling Be Nice. Dugus Paramore. All set now, ready to race. Race number 4, and the race is on. Be Nice. From the outside is Angelus. Down on the inside, Phenomenon. Who else? Then comes entry number 7, Gun with the Wind, Dugus Paramore. Be Nice, the leader, followed by Dugus Paramore by Darrell. And on the outside, rushing up Seni, Seve Yorum, Gun with the Wind. Who else on the further outside? In between runners is Phenomenon, My Hermes. And on the further outside, Angelus, number 1, Una Mujer, Kirikada Milagros. Taking second last. And rounding the far turn, Be Nice by about 3 lengths. Seni Sebeyorum is now running in second. Dugus Paramore, who else? Angelus. And by Daral, My Hermes, Gun with the Wind, number 4, Phenomenon. And Kirikada Milagros closing in as they race the final corner. Be Nice by about 2 lengths. Seni Sebeyorum, My Hermes. Who else on the outside? Rushing up now is Kirikada Milagros. But Be Nice still the leader. My Hermes and Isabeorum. Kirikada Milagros is on the outside. It's Be Nice, Kirikada Milagros burning the track. The horse of Chairman Dandantan finished the game. Second, Be Nice close with My Hermes.